They got married.
Then God gave them a beautiful baby girl named her Chloe. But Chloe was
Lonely.
lonely, so they decided to have another baby. And they had a handsome boy. They named him Josiah.
The family.
But it says they.
There.
They.
Oh, I just spelled it wrong. The family. I said it wrong.
But the family was still missing something. So they had one more baby. A girl that they named Madison. The family was perfect. Or was it? God looked at the family and saw that something was still missing. What is missing? God gave them one more baby. You will have a new baby brother or sister this fall.
Do you know what that means?
You're going to have another baby?
Yep. Can you...
Another baby!
So that picture there is the baby right now in my belly.
Wait, so you went to the doctor?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to see the picture, Josiah? That's it right now.
Hey, Mom! I wish I had that picture!
Wow.
What we do? Can we say that call, please?
So do you know what that means, Josiah? So this is Chloe. You were part of our plan.
Our plan.
And this is Josiah, who is also part of our plan.
Our plan.
And then Maddie has one too. And then we are going to have
God's plan.
one more. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take off your shirts.
Why?
Because we're going to take a picture.
Oh.